just drawn our first and our last frames, which we'll call keyframes. These are the most important poses in an animation. Next, we're going to make our first in-between frame. And in-between is just an average of two other points. So in this case, our in-between, between 1 and 90, is going to be 45. So we take our first and last frames, frame 1 and 90, put them on a light table so we can see through them, add a blank card on top, and then, looking straight through 3 frames, the first one being blank, we can trace the lines from 1 and 90. And this takes some time.